Hello, friends. Welcome to Globetales, where fun and learning come together. Today, we are going to explore the world of invertebrates, animals that have no backbone. Let's begin. This is an ant. Ants are tiny insects that live together in large colonies. They are very strong for their size and can carry food many times heavier than their body. This is a bee. Bees are buzzing insects that make honey from flowers. They also help plants grow by spreading pollen from one flower to another. This is a wasp. Wasps look a little like bees but are slimmer. Some can sting, but many are helpful because they hunt pests. This is a butterfly. Butterflies are colorful insects with big wings. They start life as caterpillars and change into butterflies through metamorphosis. This is a moth. Moths are close relatives of butterflies. Many fly at night and are attracted to lights. This is a beetle. Beetles are insects with hard shells that protect their wings. They come in many shapes, sizes, and bright colors. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are small red beetles with black spots. They are friendly helpers because they eat plant pests like aphids. This is a dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast-flying insects with long bodies and big eyes. They eat mosquitoes and other tiny insects. This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers have strong back legs that help them jump high. They eat plants and can make loud sounds by rubbing their wings. This is a cricket. Crickets look like grasshoppers but are usually darker. They are famous for chirping songs at night by rubbing their wings together. This is a termite. Termites are small insects that eat wood and dead plants. They recycle nature's waste, but can also damage houses. This is a cockroach. Cockroaches are tough insects that can live almost anywhere. They are fast crawlers and can survive on many types of food. This is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects with long legs. Some bite animals and humans to drink blood. This is a fly. Flies are buzzing insects with only 2 wings. They can land on almost anything and are very quick. This is a spider. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs. Many spin webs to trap their food. This is a scorpion. Scorpions are arachnids with pincers and a curved stinger tail. They glow under ultraviolet light and hunt at night. This is a tick. Ticks are tiny creatures that attach to animals. They drink blood and can sometimes carry diseases. This is a mite. Mites are very tiny animals, even smaller than ticks. They live in soil, water, and sometimes on plants or animals. This is a crab. Crabs are crustaceans with 2 claws and a hard shell. They scuttle sideways along the beach or ocean floor. This is a lobster. Lobsters are large crustaceans with strong pincers. They live on the ocean floor and are mostly active at night. This is a shrimp. Shrimps are small crustaceans with long antennae. They are important food for many sea animals. This is a prawn. Prawns look a lot like shrimp but are usually bigger. They also live in oceans and rivers. This is a barnacle. Barnacles are tiny animals that glue themselves to rocks and ships. They use feathery legs to catch food from the water. This is krill. Krill are small shrimp-like creatures that live in giant swarms. They are very important because whales and many fish eat them. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, wobbly bodies with stinging tentacles. They drift with the ocean currents instead of swimming. This is a sea anemone. Sea anemones look like flowers but are actually animals. They use stinging tentacles to catch fish. This is coral. Corals are tiny animals that live in large colonies. Together, they build coral reefs in the ocean. This is an octopus. Octopuses are smart animals with 8 arms. They can squeeze through tiny spaces and change color to hide. This is a squid. Squids are fast swimmers with long tentacles. They can shoot ink to escape predators. This is a cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are related to squids and octopuses. They are masters of camouflage and can change color in seconds. This is a snail. Snails are slow animals with spiral shells. They move by sliding on a slimy foot. This is a slug. Slugs look like snails but have no shell. They prefer cool, damp places and eat plants. This is a clam. Clams are shellfish that live buried in sand. They open and close their shells to filter food from the water. This is a mussel. Mussels are bivalves with dark shells. They stick to rocks with strong, silky threads. This is an oyster. Oysters are shellfish that sometimes make shiny pearls. They live in salty water and filter food from the sea. This is a scallop. Scallops are shellfish that can clap their shells to swim. They have tiny blue eyes along the edge of their shells. This is an earthworm. Earthworms dig tunnels in the soil and eat leaves. They make the ground healthy for plants to grow. This is a leech. Leeches are worms that can stick to animals. Some drink blood, while others eat tiny creatures in the water. This is a tapeworm. Tapeworms are long, flat parasites. They live inside the intestines of animals and humans. This is a roundworm. Roundworms are tiny worms found in soil and water. Some are harmless, while others can live inside animals. This is a planarian. Planarians are flatworms that can regrow lost body parts. They live in freshwater streams and ponds. This is a sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are soft-bodied animals. They recycle nutrients by cleaning up the ocean floor. This is a sea urchin. Sea urchins are round animals covered with sharp spines. They crawl slowly and eat algae on rocks. This is a starfish. Starfish usually have 5 arms, though some have more. They can regrow an arm if one is lost. This is a sand dollar. Sand dollars are flat relatives of sea urchins. Their skeletons often wash up on beaches. This is a centipede. Centipedes have long bodies with many legs. They are fast hunters that eat insects and small creatures. This is a millipede. Millipedes have even more legs than centipedes. They move slowly and eat dead plants. This is a firefly. Fireflies are beetles that glow at night. They use their light to talk to each other. This is a silkworm. Silkworms are the caterpillars of silk moths. They spin cocoons made of silk thread. This is a praying mantis. Praying mantises have long arms that look like they are praying. They are hunters that eat other insects. Hooray! You just learned about 50 amazing invertebrates. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.